There's pictures I printed, though nobody does that anymore. But I did, so I did. Laid them all out on the floor. Picked out my favorites, where I'm not jaded. There's postcards you sent me. No one ever did that before. From times you went traveling, tried to find what life is for. And reading your words now, I can't help but think how I wanna send it up in smoke. I wanna send it on fire. I want the air so thick to choke. I wanna send it up in smoke. That vintage fancy shirt I sometimes wore to bed at night, so I could just feel you. And in my mind it felt just right. But looking at it now, I can't help but think how I wanna send it up in smoke. I wanna set it on fire. I want the air so thick I choke. I wanna send it up in smoke. And when it all burns out and only dust remains, oh, I'll write your name in the ashes and blow it all away. 'Cause I'm gonna send it up in smoke.